Okay, so picking up where we left off. I left our triangle up there because that's, the most important thing, probably, what we got going on here. We've got our 24 horizontal newtons and our 18 vertical newtons of applied pressure from the girl. All right, so now to figure out the acceleration of the lawnmower, you got this lawnmower here. It weighs 25 kilograms, okay, and it's being pushed with a force of 24 newtons. So of course we know force is equivalent to mass times acceleration. We're trying to find the acceleration. So we have our force and we have our mass. All we got to do is solve this equation. So to solve for A, we're just going to divide both sides by 25. Okay, so we have here, I'm sorry, we're dividing by kilograms. But anyway, we're going to leave our numbers out because I think we all know where we're getting with this. So the answer is 24 over 25, which was like 0.995, I believe. That should be right. So that was our acceleration. That equals A. Okay, pretty simple to figure out once we have the force. Horizontal force. So the mower is being pushed with 24 newtons. It weighs 25 pounds. So the acceleration is 24 divided by 25. Okay? Second, it asks, what is the normal force being applied by the ground back up against the lawnmower? Okay? The first piece of this, we've already figured out. The girl's pushing down with a force of 18 newtons. We figured that out. But there's also a force being applied by the weight of the mower itself. So weight is our force. Force equals mass times acceleration, as always. Okay, our mass is 25 kilograms, and our acceleration is gravity, 9.8 meters per second squared. So, if we take this, we'll say 25 times 9.8 equals 245 newtons. It's a force, it's a weight. So 245 newtons is the weight of the mower. All we got to do is add the force that she's applying to it. So the total force of the mower going into the ground is going to be the sum of the weight of the mower and the vertical force that she's pushing down. So we're just going to add 18 here. And that's going to give us 263. I think the book actually expressed it as 2.6 times 10 to the second, which is the same thing. I don't know why they make it difficult. But it's going to be 245 plus 18 is 263 newtons. So that is the force that the mower is pushing down on the ground. The normal force, and if you had this on a test, you might have to answer this correctly. The normal force is being pushed up by the ground. The force is the same. It's equivalent to the 263, but it is moving in an upward direction, opposite of the gravitational pull of the mower. All right, so that's problem number 41. I'll come back in a minute with problem 43.